Your pre-market summary for Wednesday, June 22nd. Futures back in negative territory this morning, coming off a pretty impressive relief rally to kick off the holiday shortened week on Tuesday. All eyes back in Washington, or back on Washington this morning, as Fed Chair Powell kicks off the first of 2 days of public testimony today. Will be closely monitored for any further developments as to what the Fed is planning going forward as far as interest rates are concerned. Here's a look at futures this morning. Back in the red, as we were saying there, 1.5% already for the NASDAQ, back to the downside. Also seeing a big move on a number of individual names in the energy sector this morning. Big move for crude oil, back to the downside, more than 4% currently, 5% right now. Extending declines, in fact, for oil, dragging all of the energy group with it to the downside. The SPY, yeah, back in negative territory, as we saw there, 1.5% to the downside. A few individual names we're watching. Meta platforms, relatively weak in the tech sector yesterday. A couple of individual items to discuss when it comes to Meta shares back in negative territory. Apple on watch, trying to hold up a little bit better this morning. A note from JP Morgan out late yesterday suggesting iPhone shipments coming out of China higher in May than their ongoing average. Still watching some of the crypto stocks as well. BTC trying to bounce overnight. We got all the way up to 21,000 and change, back towards 20,000. Crypto stocks active here in the pre-market. NIO negative this morning as well. Trying to hold some of these gains that we've had over the past couple of days. And a negative note out on Boeing this morning as well, suggesting they might see ongoing supply chain issues continuing into the latter part of next year as well, 2023. A ton of things to get to this morning, guys. Grab the watch list. The link below in the QR code. We'll see you soon on TraderTV.Live.